What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy a Geek. So the question is that, what is the question? Let me tell you the question. The question is that, is starting a IT company in South Africa worth it? Should you start a IT company in South Africa? Again, should you start a IT company in South Africa? Definitely yes. I mean, South Africa is like one of the best country in the world. I mean, again, the people are very hardworking. I know a lot of South African people. Love you all. Love you all. I mean, yo, love you. To be honest with you, it's a very beautiful country. I mean, definitely start. South Africa is a highly developed country. There's a lot of small business and middle-sized businesses. I mean, big investment company, factories. I mean, enterprises, corporation. Starting an IT company is one of the best thing you can do. If you want to earn a lot of money, go and start an IT company. South Africa. If you're not starting, then that is your weakness. What are you waiting for? Go and start an IT company. Should you start? Definitely yes. So if you have any more questions such as like this, my email address is in the description box. Please subscribe and bye.